Howdy, chaps. Check out this old and battered Xbox controller. The A button has stopped working and it no longer clicks as it's supposed to. Look, I push it, but it just don't click like the others. I tried cleaning it like some guides advise, but it's no use. I will just have to open this controller up and see what the problem is inside. First of all, pry open these plastic handle covers. Next, unscrew the first 5 screws. Don't forget the screw which is hidden under the sticker. Remove the plastic cover to reveal the insides of this controller. As you can see, it is packed with electronics and mechanics. Be careful with the rumble engines as they tend to fall out and the tiny wires can easily tear off. I personally tore off one of these wires and had to solder it back. Now there are a bunch of more screws to open. To reach the broken button, we must totally disassemble this controller. Everything is very delicate on the way. I recommend that you take pictures of all disassembly stages so it will be easier for you to remember where everything was when you put it back together. And here is the problem. This is why my A button is not working. I guess this rubber part just got worn out over the years and the little charcoal just got torn out. I placed a link to this part and other replacement parts in this video description. And so we will replace this rubber strip, but the really hard part is to put everything back together. Overall, as long as you are persistent and gentle and have the right tools, you should be fine. Otherwise, you should not take this task upon yourself. Cheerio!